Red alert, shields up.
Captain, we have collapsed their bottom shield.
Intercept course plotted.
Their bottom shield is draining, sir. Their forward shield is draining. Target hull integrity at 25%. Their top shield has failed. Sir, we are draining their top shield. Target's hull has been breached.
That's it. We got him.
Red alert,
Intercept
shields up.
course plotted.
Captain, we have collapsed their bottom shield.
Shields are at 75%.
Captain, their forward shield has failed.
Sir,
Their
another
forward
ship is on a
shield has failed.
Shields are at 75%.
Target hull integrity at 20%.
Torpedo tubes are empty.
Hull is severely
Shields are at
damaged, sir.
75%. Shields are at 50%.
Their top shield has failed. Their forward shield is draining. Captain, we have collapsed their bottom shield. Sir, we are draining their top shield. Captain, their forward shield has failed. Their bottom shield is draining, sir.
Shields are at 50%.
Sir, we're going to hit.
Captain, we have collapsed their bottom shield.
Shields are at 50%. are at 50%.
Sir,
Sir,
we're
aft
going to
shield is
hit.
draining.
Shields are at 50%.
That's it. We got him.